Yeah, yeah.
I want money.
Crypto, what did I say it was doing? I told you it was going sideways. And what are we doing? We're going sideways in this range. This range could last until August. I really don't think we're going to see a pump even close to above 30,000 until August. Right? I do think crypto's probably going to get back to at least right around close to 30,000, but I don't see it being, like I said, for all summer long. We're going to be going here. And during that time, we might actually break down to that 17,000, and we might even see the actual bottom this summer and then bounce up. If we do hit down to this 14,000, 13,000, we're going to bounce up quickly. It's going to jump up, then it might get stagnant for a little while, and then I think we're going to get back into this range. Again, I don't know the future. I'm just using past performance to dictate, future price movement. And if we look at the weekly, there's been longer weeks. There's been a couple more weeks here, like I said, through the July and August before there's like another bounce here. The consolidation usually lasts a little over a month. So that's what I'm preparing for. Yes, I still have trades open, and they're going to wait to get stopped out. Right now, I'm waiting to see what these candles look like, because if it ends up looking super bearish, well, then I might actually go short. But here, if I'm zooming back in a little bit on the 8 hour because I was at the weekly and the daily, we had a doji, which is buyers and sellers trying to figure it out. Sellers right now are in control. 12 hour, we're turning into that doji, right? Which is saying that there's good support there on the 20,000. And same thing, the daily, this is kind of turning into a hammer candle right now, which is bearish, which is saying that we're probably going further down. On the weekly, this guy is not looking good. But zooming out, back in, zooming back in, gotta zoom back in. Things are looking like the move is almost done with. We're just going to bounce right back off of this $20,000 mark, and we might actually break below it and have a false breakout. I know we kind of did with 19,820, so I didn't get my panties in a twist and all of a sudden go short and cancel my trades. I need to see some considerable movement where another candle is going to be underneath there, where we do have the lower lows and the lower highs. But right now we do have that. Here's a high, lower high, potentially lower high. We'll see what the bounce is going to be here. Right now, if I'm zooming in here, trying to see something that I want to see. I'm not seeing it. I'm trying to look at ways not to take a trade. We haven't broken below that 20,000. Looking at stochastics and everything, we're crossing back below the 50, which that's a bearish sign. But then the RSI is close to being oversold again, which that's kind of a bullish sign. So everything's kind of conflicting right now. So again, I'm just waiting to see what happens, and I'm not really doing anything. I'm not a day trader, so I don't look at this stuff. I'm looking for big moves. And this sideways action is not big moves. This is not big moves. Yeah, we're talking $2,000 move there, but respectively, that's like a 9% deal. You can still make money off of it, but I'm chasing more of the moves that are, double, triple that. But you can see here, look at how many days we were consolidating here before something happened. So I use that same type. How many is this? 28 days. So if I start this, actually I gotta move this over because this really didn't start until right about here. So 28 days. 28 days. End of July. End of July before we see like a big move into August. That's what I'm predicting. Anyway, this is Johnny F. Crypto. I'm here to help you make some money.